Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla. Alright, everyone, you don't know who this is already. This is the Skilla. And right about now, we're going to talk about insurance scheme. Now, if you take a look at this young man, I know quite a few of you on the social media platform, you're not supposed to see this young man trying to explain what happened to him, to his car and his business place when a truck ran off into both of them at the same time. One truck, alright? All of this take place from sometime way up in last year, you know? So I'll let him explain that part to you. But the thing is that now it reached to the point where the result is in, yeah? Because as according to him have to spend money, do all his own assessment and everything for the insurance company, for carry to the insurance company, right? Where really and truly, I would have thought that it was supposed the insurance company would do these things for you. You know what I'm saying? So this is what he's claiming, and I'm trying to bring this to you all for you to see what's really going on in Jamaica. You know, even under the white collar. You know, I don't know if it's that they call it. I'm talking about the offices in Jamaica, you know. So, insurance companies, is it a scheme or is it something that is good for you? You know, like, is it a scam or is it not? That's one of the things we may try to find out right now, alright? So, I'm going to show you only the pointers, right? Because trust me, this was a long set of film that this man did to try and explain himself. So you know how things go. Just take a look and observe.
They have the wreckage, they call it salvage, and the value of it is $100,000. Them this side says $100,000. Them and the assessor, and they say that at 360. The record fee are $68,000. Me have to pay the record. They say $40,000. The assessor fee then we pay that I feed them one. Loss of use Jamaica, then calculate it up to $31,500. So them a pay me for 14 days loss of usage at $2,250 per day. Jamaica from April 9th, 2018 to February 8th, 2019. You know if you got no good maths class, if you know say that enough 14 days Jamaica. Now this letter from Advantage General is saying there are some details up here, so I cover up the other parties' information, because I don't want to go in a court in here so we never display them information. So see it here now. Reference is made to the caption matter. This is the caption. And me cover it up. Our investigation has now been concluded, and the findings indicate that our insured driver lost control of the vehicle and collided into your insured parked vehicle. Kindly note that we are not minded to consider your insurance claim for the alleged damage to laptops, as that was not as a result of the accident. Now they are referring to 2 laptops that were in the vehicle. Soon talk about that. Also, your insured has failed to prove ownership of the property, and as such the damage to the wooden structure was not considered. Now Jamaica, the wooden structure that they are referring to is that bathroom, or what it was before. I rebuilt it. So look at that bathroom now, and I'm going to say it mashed down totally. Proof that it mashed down totally lies in these pictures. All of these pictures show a broke up board. I wish I had the color copy, but I'm having a little difficulty finding that file. I'm certain I'll find it for court. Now this business place, Jamaica, I want to show you the floor bill feet. Because I play a bill, registered, my name. I want to show you the JPS light bill feet. JPS light bill for the property. For the meter there. Anybody will wish can ever check the meter number. And then I want to show you Jamaica. Then Jamaica, I want to show you the sales receipt when I purchase all of this property from the gentleman that had it before. Bathroom downstairs, me block out the gentleman's name and the sales agreement. I want to show you the justice of the peace seal where they write here so on the letter. So this is a copy of the sales agreement. Now, all of these documents, Jamaica, I presented to the insurance investigator working for Advantage General, and the Mr. Robinson, the insurance assessor working for Advantage General, somehow give them information to say that I cannot prove that I am the owner for that structure. Come look, Jamaica. And me have to pay to bring it back to this so that my customer them can have something to use. Advantage General go tell me say this structure is not mine. This letter where them go write give an intelligent young man, he make you pre-evil things. Because me and them know say mine. The police report when me get it, I go say my property damage because I that right down. The gentleman will licking it, see what I go on the night, people are get ready to get hostile with the trailer man, but I am not like that. So me tell them say accident, one no cost life, no cost nothing, because at 12 a week I builds this place, could have dead the night. And after all of that, Advantage General I go refuse to pay me for my building. Me nah collect my own till then do better. So everybody else have a growth with them. Me want to know advance the topic more. Send this video viral and make we boycott Advantage General till the insurance companies of Jamaica and the rest of the world start do the right thing. Them a get away with this for too long now. Them fi collect insurance cause it is security in the case of an accident. Fine. But when something happen, you fi a pay out. Government, Mr. Wholeness and everybody else in a politics. You fi make sure say if a 14-day loss of use them a go pay me for, then no fi take more than 14 days to investigate the case. So me can wait the 14 days and know say then they go pay me. Then if you send me go dig up no different money for buy different vehicle for can advance my life for me own. While then wait 1 year if you want to tell me say me the building enough for me. Laptop them never in me car me a liar and then pay me no real value for me car. A garbage then they give me. Then no forget a year for do that Jamaica.
Now, I could see if we can look on it this way. Isn't it that insurance companies are made, right? They are made to ensure that you maintain a certain lifestyle that you, the customer, is paying for. Now, remember, that's an insurance company. Once there is no proof of any form of fake thing, you're supposed to get what you're paying for, depending upon the party plan where you take out. You get what I'm saying to you? Insurance company for some reason has been notoriously known for not making the insurance claim coming through in time. You get what I say to you? And it's really rough. You know, on one hand, you have people burn down them own a house and thief them own a car and do all these things just to get the insurance money. You understand what I say? And at the same time, when them thief the whole car, them sell the car in scrap metal or whatsoever or so forth or something. So them have double the money. So you see what I say to you? But at the same time, this man, a truck run off the road, mash up him car and mash up him business place. You understand? Alright. I understand that this young man has a lot of claims to claim, you know what I mean? But it would be very good if you could actually see the accident. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, don't get me wrong, you know. I'm just saying. Anyways, now in my view now, insuring a car is totally different because you have to insure a car. It's a car, you know. A car is a total different situation. Don't get it wrong. But I like all a house or a business place now. If my business place don't reach to the height, like some top casinos or so forth, I not insure that. Trust me, I don't have time for that. You see me? It's easier to take your money and invest it. Yeah? Because if you did do that right now, you wouldn't have so much problem for you wait so long for your little claims for rebuild your place. All you do, you go back, you take out whatsoever profit, or if you want to touch the principal of your money, and you fix back your place, you're good again. You get me? I said to you, plus, right? The truck man supposed to give you some what of the money too. The truck man, the person who damage your place, their insurance, or the person themselves supposed to give you a payment as well, which is where the insurance company should be working with that person, company or whatsoever. You know what I mean? So there's a lot of ties to the thing. You know what I say? I just saw life go. But anyways, this matter, 400,000 claims. You, my viewers, I want to know what you think about this thing. You know what I say? Because guess what? No, me is not a Mr. Know-it-all. You know me say? No, me I say, I'm going to tell you in my view what I would have do. You see me I say? And how much I would, and what I would spend to insure from what me would insure. You know, so here's my view. Would you work with an insurance company? Right? You know, that's one thing. The claims what this man claims, is it worth it? That's the next thing. You see what I said to you? There's a whole heap of things behind this, so I know say me alone cannot say. So tell me what you think, my viewers. You understand what I mean? Yeah, just explain, you know. And this, keep it clean, alright? Anyways, if you're new to my channel and you want to see more what go on, you have to click the subscribe button. You see me? If you want to get in contact with the Skilla, you don't know, you have to text the Dancehall Skilla. You know, Facebook, Insta, you name it. And more, you can read the description down below. That's for more contact and for more information. You know the thing said. Alright? Anyways, my name is Skilla, and that's what I just seen. Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla!
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.